enti kwa me ba fa Abronye bro nya bibi chairman ne bo fu ne kwa kwa pai adito e fa nsem a you know ayena mo mframa mu ese ensem bia na akoyo e ka fa Hawa Koomson ho no chese ne nyina na ye atro nko a chese atro nko a Abronye ekokwa pai na ne obetie si NDC for so akeka na adwen pa akire na akoyo ama bia kofra mahama ne NDC for ni nyina mema nchiri mu no akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say ni di mo obe like video no other ma subscribe button number click notification on the places update number chire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section me so ba so no one share for so anya bi ahwe e di prior to 24 election no after the 7th December na nkasa no e ne benya statement of the day ni nyina say Hawa Koomson akum nipa Hawa Koomson and the boys akum nipa ni nyina free and someone you know the parliamentary candidate on the ticket of NDC for Awotu Senya East constituency honorable na Koryoo obe make ye post is or make ye on the Facebook page and I will say Hawa Koomson and the boys are attacking or no and the boys am at the end of the day no Hawa Koomson and the boys akum or no na Koryoo the boys baako ama other boy kwa de uma bu na prepare no just na omo de cast na ba ye eh enso ma mi ka ye de ma mi ni wo pa o enso ma kan yansam ketua o creative story say the otwa movie na no okasa na no mfom miemia nani oba besia bayifo miemia wani kan sem twantro tu nua so Emma from there no Hawa Koomson benya atan e wo Ghana ha just say o benya atan to the point say ablekman of election crown enipa bi header tena se born hope say maami ye kodi ne bone yeso okunipa ye kokuni bi Emma yes e be arehosem Hawa ablekman of election oba besia ye count from ye tietia no na emema ni enipa ni age Ghana ha ase mo abobo adam enipa ni age some of the NDC omani age and I saw some of the foolish TikTokers omani age say dia oh Hawa Koomson de bibia anya no ensa keke bi ne pia no na oto form na ho ahwan ana de Hawa Koomson wanya na fo na nipa okun wo mu no chese ase nipa ni bi adwini say eni obutiri
Kini Jabusha, Baumia, our Hawa Koomson faces here, Baumia, Hawa Koomson faces here. Now, what Hawa Koomson dimina, the facial expression, Obin Kanchra will say, oh, yeah, a bullet. Who said power was day? You say, you're just a cano, who was a cano, and a bunny socket jasun woo. A book a crabby wooboonie, only dimina, only the facial expression. This is the current picture of Hawa Koomson, only the facial expression.
That's it, Uti. Omo bohana Koomson shi wana na yase ne se eyito ofom eyi ya na yase ne body guys ye friend emos no ye fast ne so be fan se no amafo ase na akua free ye se motima twa ma yatu onua Hawa Koomson se mo asa anto ama ne dia na wa chesika be do poso no anto ama na eduabo bebam abrekumafo abrekumafo mo ni ate abrekumafo mo ni ate he
asa adwene na nipa ni bitire mu just because obia come na say Hawa Koomson akunipa onu nani ahu obi na make ni post e wo Facebook nani ahu bi waje di and all time ame no just Jimmy nipa ni bi Jimmy kroma kwa odwena ho nte ase asa adwene na nipa ni bitirem e wo Ghana e wo just say nsem we nyina atroso because Muntaka Mohammed interior minister be a press conference on election violence happening in 2024 election mono any case be go now e ho no mo ko hwem no mu say no always senior east constituency violence na e course na manfo claim say Hawa Koomson and the boys e course so basa e wo ho no mo say na enya no kre e say honorable na Koryoo obedi tro kese a kire Ghana for afa Hawa Koomson so amman nyina atan Hawa Koomson for nothing no ana kwa me ba fa Abronye obekire na adwen e wo ho
sadia yete ya dabia na NDC kana no enra interior minister amayate ase say 2020 aba ye kokoto ye no enipa 8 bia nyeden enwuye enti Ghana for interior minister oye NDC ni e ba be boma man ye say a different 2021 base 2024 and some amoti yes na nado danko akofo ado di soldier for ni police for ekunkum nipa na de wi ni ye no enei NDC wo mo minister e be bo amane say Sansem na ono ani party for kano. Mumongu na nokre bia nyeden enim. Afei yanhwe update no. Saufa 2020 and 2024. Abato mienu ayeto ye na. Honorable Interior Minister Trese nipa dunum ene free mu. 2 elections no nipa dunum. Na chese NDC editro. Media masama me kan say ye kwa abato kora ni kwansa aponte ye den ewu. Entinu say ye twa afi bi agya. Sa afi we dia nipa wu ye no esi NDC penso nti ye nhwehwem. Ya hwehwem a ye beti NDC fo na atonti ye hwehwem. Na say MPP penso na elections yesi ni say ye hwehwem a mini problem because enipa na wu. I always have the belief say ye kwa abato ani kwansa aponti wu. Enti say ye hwehwem na so omo say ni esi NDC penso no hia. Na mom ni esi MPP penso na hia. Eye da nipa na wu nti mon hwehwem because enipa hu hia. Na and some of the two abontin say MPP tax and MPP say and MPP for the koyes na sankrofo no nyina no utie update na afed the new patriotic party, the new patriotic government at the time no edini emmam babia ni wa Honorable Montakatimi ka say se babi BBC ya manipa wuya eye MPP parliamentary candidate anasa presidential candidate no and organize security ema omukokum obi enti MPP no NDC fo na nkasa wo interior minister e de support adware MPP ho ama ye ho afise awudie bi koso basabasa bi koso ma ema nipa wuya enye MPP fo na ye den eyeye etene ataba ye say eye tro ana omo de dada mabunu no dodo na wo social media enti MPP ni bia nye involve na mom obi okoyusu na batie ewo election ni mu no ana ye hwehwe no ne ye yache no na Sauche sa asemi ya Honorable Montakade tu dwa ya. Na mabisa ane wa wusutie no wabisa se. Enti update ni ya bema na so na. Because me ametie sa metiatiam ya tutu abo mekamu ya tutu abo mekamu me kwa akoto aba enkrofo bi prevent me say ya mame nto aba no. Yatutu abomekam na at the end of the day. Sasam na mekan ye no hwehwemu ba beda di se nye sa na tia. Me a mekan ye no. Agye na esese o man no mra no. Kwan ben so na esese o man no mra ne de me fa so. The Ghana Police Service obi raise false alarm. So okwa akoto aba ya tutu aboneka mu ya kum ne nkrofo na at the end of the day sa nipa no make U10 ba beka say enye nokore da se bibi sa ato na Ghana Police Service any minister Honorable Interior Minister sa nipa no ye chi na enye ye because or a member of parliament ya na yet to my hai and a bra ye to about 2024 no mrase bedwani owo awutu senya is na Koryoo lawyer nio a onim say emre be mitie no nam say law no dey say na ebe kwa no pa dia mo be kita mo be call Ghana School of Law be ba na mo kita law certificate ya create fear and panic and also gain sympathy from the voters in Awutu Senya East. already false alarm to create fear and panic. Oria when yahumobro abatuo so maame ne kra no wantima nkwankoto ba yesi ya bonu tuo ama ne dafie or the hospital ha yesi e kokene ne ka ho no wo ne nyina na se be ya nkrofo beka so maame ne tu aka ne dia ya ye di live so wo other polling stations ya news aba no yentwe ne yento aba nyere emfa ma no sa ne nyina na ye false alarm. Producer for Facebook account no to Jansa. Me we are matwaso
about. They have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact, they shot at my guy's separate head.
What's happening?
I went out to visit one of the collective churches, which is Iron City. I went to say to Christ Church. I realized that there was a DA, which is Hawa Koomson DA, with the boy Penyah and the rest, the third boys I complained about. They have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact, they shot at my guy's separate head.
What's happening?
I went out to visit one of the collective churches, which is Iron City. I went to say to Christ Church. I realized that there was a DA, which is Hawa Koomson DA, with the boy Penyah and the rest, the third boys I complained about.
Okay,
they have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact,
yetie kwanano yebema amamfo ahu sade enipa se yeden editro efa babasia o na koyo lawyer ni madi kan de Facebook page 7 December etra odi yese Hawa Koomson akum ni agent mienu. Every parliamentary candidate bia obekọ elections bia no enim agency fo a wa fa omo and per the law no emranoma wo candidate a wo kwa elections no so your presidential candidate so your parliamentary wo select agent a wo gini die emane kwa police ana emranete enti mami se waka se yakom wo agent 2024 wontimi ma mekase 2025 enye nokore na onim agent bia yakunu na bibisa nsi etese okere because a trona wudi ye no empempenso a wudi oman ne koye because international observers no mo oman mu ha Ghana Police Service eguso te ho because oye MP nti ye nche no nanka Abronye na ready false alarm ema international community picking news no ema Ghana GD mbone se abato a ye to no awuto senya is ya boni pa mienu tu akunu ama na international community a nka tunkusa beka se mo nhwehwe akwa no ba bi owo bia na omedam mo fa no kotum tunkusa beka se mo nhwehwe akwa no na mo fa no mra na mo fa no ko ye nhwehwe sa niema we nyina na esi ye no mo Ghana fo anwumrei Muntia ni yo. President Mahama se yentwhwem. Eya mpase Hawa Koomson. Akum nipa ewo kaso a munchini ntum. Because ya bo Hawa Koomson dini dia. President Mahama na jina platform so ka say. Obe make sure say obechi Hawa Koomson ayeden atum. Enti enunti ana se yentwhwem ni emfa report mre no. Mami ya osu ya munyina ma hu se osu ino ye frɛ me katre ne sɛ mami bra ada ye to aba na wo se yakum wo agent mienu ma ye hu agent fo na o ma wuo no fo mo dini bra wo ma busuafo ba bia o mu firi ba bia o mu to aba ba bia incident ne ye den esi ye fo mo nyina ye den ebra wo mo wie ye no sa wo badia na kyesa wo adanse a kyerɛ sɛ nipa mienu wuye a wo na asia sa wo ye omo ye wo agent a wo na afa omo wo na recruit omo enti branada boaye ne yenya ntwetwemu hotels a wo bo dini no yankwa hotels crossimo na wo bo omu dini no meaning sɛ wonim omo because when the kana kasa why your whole press conference abo omu dini ye frɛ mrase bedwani ya odi trogu Hawa Koomson so a mrase bedwani no ka kyerɛ Honorable Montaka ene Ghana Police Service team ni say bibi saa ansi na ye first April fool ena odidi Ghana fo na Koryoo ese ade na opposed to ye on the page 7 December Ghana ye ko general election no a o se ye kutu of the agent no ya botu akomo a ono ankasa esuo ebo Simon dini hotel Simon te na Simon nom na akunsa ankrofo no ye friend na Koryoo se na Koryoo fa evidence bra o se na ye epufu ena odi yi kaswafo edigi tumi no na bibi sa nsi ye Hawa Koomson mankun obi a oni adanse bia kyese odi tro afam akọ ntu afam eye deko na mama maame ni hu se sa tro na odi ye a ono anim se nye nokre ema enam so ma NDC fo bi ko mun kokum Hawa Koomson ewa brekuma nofo no ono anka so obenya ho asotwe ne mma benya ho ye dia otra dam no sisa na me so metifie me hwe ne se TV otra udam no sisa na metifie na me hwe ne se TV nti ye nyina ye hwe nko na mu heda ko abrekuma nofo mesina yi video etra maame no di ye kwana ye di obi maame oba panyine de ne fa so tietia no bi kwatro ba ko obi di ye nti no ye di ebitin chen the NDC ni bi macho mindfo bi vagabond boys adi maame ne to tankuru wa mu se ye nyana ye bekunu because yate se wakum nipa ewo awutu senya a enye nokore enemo ampinu anum ton se ne okan ye bia no oboa producer for Hawa Koomson video na ye na yakayaka de ne to dwa biem obidi ye no etra na Koryoo di ye no ewuwo ananka Hawa Koomson ne nse kwako nke kwakoto no wo abrekuma nof etro a na Koryoo di ye no na mnise sa tro na odi ye ofisa wa fa no ho adi enei ye bisa wa wo se dabi woni adanse bia kire se obi wuye. Until you cannot assist the police for any investigation. Producer, bo asama Honorable Montaka kan fa Montaka video nankasa tudwa. Ne yenwese maame no oye honorable member of parliament and answer dishonorable.
Election violent cases, starting with Ewutu Senya East constituency, that's Kaswa. The task force observed that the Honorable Phyllis Koryoo Okeno denied that her convoy was attacked. She was nowhere near the scene of the incident. Persons who were involved in the incident have avoided speaking with the task force, while Muhammad Ali and others who were in the Mahindra pickup truck and fired shots from their vehicle have also avoided speaking with the task force. So their opinion have not been established. Muhammad Ali is said to have been flown abroad for further treatment. The late Yusuf Larry Idris died from a gunshot, and those who were in the Mahindra pickup with him, none what happened. The driver of the Mahindra has been traced and further investigation is ongoing. Election violence cases, starting with Ewutu Senya East constituency.
NDC for now more than a buy, no. I will say, Marco for we didn't buy, and I bet now Ewutu Senya, no your bar on canocre. No one in Crawford send some more kind proud to the election in Yinano, Ayazar, Hawa Koomson Yerry, and then in Crawford Soratiano, so Yenny Papa. Onyeni papa where dia wo mo aka can be mabia to the national chairman of NDC and on the branch organizer asem no kan ye na metia me ne ya adwene because yeti kromai Asiedu Nketia no nse court president ya all dinner se de adwuma ba kromo no kra pa ne say Asiedu Nketia president ya all din de Dressmakers Association for Designers for no Mokasa Duma Makroma no moboa. Nancy dear court to dear, I tell her for more Pambio Chroma. Court to pass a court to pano, a producer. Nancy Asiedu Nketia and dress in Ibifato Somayenve. Because a summer branch organizer can, you know, Menene Yadin, Yeti Chroma, Asiedu Nketia only court to Yaka. Yeti Chroma only see to Yaka. Yeti kromai Asiedu Nketia ne African designer way yaka. And so president ba no mui or the adwuma ba ama se no dressmakers for no adwuma de abumu so mo pam niema mo pam ntade. But branch organizer asem no ka obi ane ne yadwen. Producer bono voice
become a child.
Okay, Honorable Phyllis. Now call you.
Would you 2020 may be see? What's up, Mamicho? Made my hoodie and him in India and this guy club on the support to party. No, Sabi Obiama down. And to be met you who to make them say party that me could be one party about Paulo and go position. And then Juma.
Okay.
Because of who's having interest. I said you get you very careful. Moment is your to the fool. And yes, I said, I bet can Ubuno. Put away who catch us and we should go to that. Now, so I said, go to that, and then I'm help on my Penyah. What's the address? Quote, I block America goes and my jacket.
Hey,
Master, let's be the fact.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you. I didn't know air time, and you. It is a Francais. All of you examine the what people talk, what people talk.
Okay.
Sir, a year. A big minister and the question, why people talk? You can't correct say, you make sure say, and near man of a panel, and find trouble with the ever party. No, you obviously be the wolf power. But to me, because I chairman general. Sure, or forget the chairman general.
Okay.
Now you want more, you have two, the good part to shall go so. Little no, you are over Janka, you want more you man penny, and you offer a bit, or tell me because you say, the course or yellow, or lemon, or your campaign also, or Koto, Tobel Oko, Tobel the city Oko. Maybe a branch organizer, it makes me
okay.
And have a say to talk. What I said, you need to come out. I'm on your corner, I will a year in this level. And yes, I think a campaign. Who cry out to a quano? We a campaign. Wow, to a campaign because minimum phobia. No me MP before out to be said because of a Kufuado. I'm more 10 time I'm more food. They all voted for the NDC power. I'm being honest with you. It's
MP. So I feel that what's
MP.
And I would say East.
Already you are in Chico.
Hey.
Chirawadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.